In the editor, we of course have different default text styles that you can use. These are the ones that you typically see in all major platforms, with a default paragraph and headers 1 to 6. You can see the specifics about the fonts below, and we also allow you to update these and make entirely new ones from scratch. You can also delete existing ones if you want to start from a clean slate. To edit or add text styles, make sure that you're scrolled all the way to the top of the bar. Now you can click into any text style if you wish to edit it, or you can make a completely new one. The workflow is the same, so let's start from scratch. Start by naming your text style. Thereafter, you can choose a tag. If you're unsure about this, when defining these stages, you could keep in mind H1 is typically containing the most important title of your page, H2 and 3s are often used as subtitles, and H4, 5 and 6 are normally for minor subheadings and general structure. You can look up more information on this, but let's keep going. These are the basic tools that you've come to know from all major rich text editors, so let's try and set one up. Last but not least, we also allow you to adjust multiple custom breakpoints for each. This means that the styling will change when the viewport reaches a specific width. To finish off, simply click Save and Close, and click Save. And now that you're done, you can drag it into your canvas to start editing. If you do, however, already have text in your canvas, you can choose to override it with your new text style.